Welcome to Aragon, where Miami elegance meets Spanish tradition. Only minutes from shopping, dining, entertainment and schools bordering Northwest Miami lakes and Hialeah gardens, this new listing is beautiful house located in an exclusive gated community. Comfortably designed with 2 cars garages and warm exterior stone facades. Inside there's spacious living areas, open kitchen and family room separate from formal dining and living rooms and half bathroom downstairs. Secondary bedrooms with private baths, and master bedrooms with coffer ceilings and suites that include his and her sinks. Garden tubs is separated from the enclosed and clear shower. See yourself living here in this beautiful and well-located community.